In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Zoho support, providing you with the full 2025 guide. Whether you're new to Zoho or a seasoned user, knowing how to reach out for quick assistance is crucial. We'll go through the steps together, ensuring you understand how to navigate Zoho support options seamlessly. First things first, you'll need to head to Zoho's main website. Simply open your browser and enter the URL or search for Zoho Desk to get started. Once you've reached the main page, you'll find everything you need right there. It's structured to provide various resources, but today we're focusing specifically on how you can use the chat feature for direct communication with support staff. After you've landed on Zoho's homepage, take a moment to locate the chat button. You'll find this helpful feature nestled in the bottom right corner of the screen. It's designed to be easily accessible for immediate support, so make sure your screen isn't zoomed in too much, which might make it harder to see. This button is your gateway to starting a conversation with a Zoho support representative, or even initiating a call if that's more convenient for you. Once you've clicked on the chat button, you're presented with a choice: either engage in a live text chat or opt for a voice call with customer service. Choosing which method to use largely depends on your current situation and personal preference. If you find typing out details a hassle or have a complex issue to discuss, a call might be the most efficient route. However, for simpler queries, or if you're multitasking, the text chat can be incredibly convenient. Both options are there to ensure your questions are addressed promptly by a knowledgeable support team focused on providing an effective solution. It's worth noting that during busy periods, there might be a short wait time before connecting with a representative. This wait time can vary depending on Zoho's support workflow, but rest assured, they aim to minimize delays and prioritize customer satisfaction. You can use this waiting time to gather any information or documents related to your query, ensuring your conversation is as smooth and efficient as possible once you connect. In summary, contacting Zoho support via chat is straightforward and designed for your convenience. By following these steps, you'll be able to ensure a clear communication channel will open with Zoho so you can get back to what really matters, using Zoho successfully and efficiently. So, no matter what kind of assistance you need, Zoho's robust support system is just a few clicks away, ready to provide the help you need. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful guides on using Zoho and making the most of its diverse features.